This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to edit ads videos for maximum impact. Your opening few seconds are crucial for grabbing attention and preventing viewers from scrolling away. Showcase your product's most compelling benefit immediately, perhaps within the first 3 to 5 seconds. A strong hook sets the stage for everything that follows, making people want to learn more. Clearly communicate one primary message throughout your ad to avoid confusion. Use high-quality, vibrant visuals and engaging B-roll footage to tell your story effectively. Demonstrate your product or service in action, letting viewers see its value firsthand rather than simply hearing about it. This visual storytelling helps forge a stronger connection with your audience. Maintain a dynamic and brisk pace throughout your ad video to keep viewers constantly engaged. Upbeat background music, carefully chosen to match your brand's tone, can significantly enhance the emotional impact. Ensure all voiceovers are crystal clear and perfectly synchronized, while subtle sound effects can further highlight key moments. Excellent audio transforms a good ad into a great one. Conclude your ad with a single, unambiguous call to action, telling viewers exactly what to do next. Provide all necessary contact details or direct links clearly, making the next step effortless for your audience. Finally, export your video in high resolution, for example, 1092 by 1080 pixels, ensuring optimal quality across various social media platforms. A polished final product makes a professional impression.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.